free educational tools for online class. A combo pack prepared by Etlogs. Online class, how to take it? What are the apps that I can use? We all are trying different apps and some of us are taking online class using mobile phone or computer. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how to use a set of free educational tools, and it doesn't cost you a single penny. It can be available for the both mobile phone and computer. And this is not a sponsored video by any companies or brands. You are watching Etlogs. Let's get started. We are going to talk about three things: prerequisite requirements, required apps, and uses of apps. Prerequisite requirements of online class. What are the tools, devices, and materials required for running online class? First of all, we need a good smartphone or computer. If you have computer, that would be better option for you. But if you don't have computer, don't be panic. You can do everything on your mobile phone also. Second, we need an earphone to record our voice and to listen audio on live video call. Third, we need textbooks and other teaching materials. And then we need internet connectivity. Without internet connectivity, online class won't be possible. And finally, we need additional and optional tools. These tools are not necessary that you should have, but if you have, that would be better option for you, and that will enhance your online class, performance of online class. So these tools are camera, tripod, gimbal, mic, green screen, lights, whiteboard, digital whiteboard with marker, duster, and a room. What are the apps to be downloaded and installed on our mobile phone or computer for running online class? For mobile phone, we need Google Chrome, Google Classroom, Google Meet, Google Sheet, Jamboard, WhatsApp, Microsoft Office, Adobe Scan or Scan-A-Go, Screen Recorder, Canva, KineMaster, YouTube, Gmail, and Google Drive. Among these, some of the apps are already installed on mobile phone. They are Google Chrome, WhatsApp, YouTube, Gmail, and Google Drive. So, remaining we need to download from Play Store. They are Google Classroom, Google Meet, Google Sheet, Jamboard, Microsoft Office, Adobe Scan or Scan-A-Go, Screen Recorder, Canva, and KineMaster. For computer, we need Google Chrome, Google Classroom, Google Meet, Google Forms, Google Sheet, Jamboard, Web, WhatsApp, Microsoft Office, Cameo Extension, Canva, Movavi, Video Suite, YouTube, Gmail, and Google Drive. Among these, we need to download Google Chrome, Web, WhatsApp, Microsoft Office, Cameo Extension, and Movavi Video Suite. Rest we can run on browser also. They are Google Classroom, Google Meet, Google Forms, Google Sheet, Jamboard, Canva, YouTube, Gmail, and Google Drive. What are the uses of those apps that we required for running online class? Google Chrome. For mobile phone, creating email IDs, using Google Forms, and opening quiz forms. For computer, creating email IDs, running apps without downloading Google Classroom, Google Meet, Google Sheet, Google Forms, Jamboard, YouTube, Gmail, Google Drive, and Canva. And third, downloading WhatsApp, Movavi, and Cameo extension. Google Classroom. Connecting students in a class for each subject, creating assignments, quizzes, and exam questions, uploading teaching resources in PDF, Word files, audio, video, and images. Fourth, collecting responses from students, that submission of home assignments, classwork, exercises, etc. Fifth, evaluating responses collected from students. Sixth, returning responses to students after evaluating. 7. Keeping records of each and every student. Google Meet. Connecting students for live class and interaction, which is not possible with Google Classroom. Google Forms. Creating exam, questions, quizzes, attendance form, students' data collection, survey, feedback, and so on. Remember, Google Forms doesn't have mobile app, and there is an app in Play Store called Forms app which supports Google Forms, but all faces are not supported, so you need to use it in Google Chrome. Those who are running Google Forms on mobile phone. Google Sheet. Recording responses collected from Google Forms like quizzes, question and answer, survey attendance and so on. Jamboard. It is a virtual and digital whiteboard that you can use to draw, sketch, write, etc. as whiteboard, and it is to be shared through screen sharing using Google Meet. WhatsApp. First, to get in touch with students and to share Google Meet invitation links. Second, to get instant queries and confusions. Microsoft Office. It supports Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Notes for those who are running mobile version. And second, to prepare PDF notes of any chapter. Third, to create worksheets. Fourth, to prepare assignment, exam and class work, question and so on. Adobe Scan or Scanago. To create PDFs by taking photo clicks on mobile phones. There are many PDF maker apps. You can use any one of them. Recommended apps are Adobe Scan or Scanago. Kami extension. To evaluate assignments in the format of PDF, images and documents received in Google Classroom for computer users. And all the students must have computer access in order to use this app because it is very difficult to view on mobile phone and sometimes it may not be possible. So it is recommended to edit in mobile Google Classroom. Screen recorder. To record the online live class of Google Meet on mobile phone. Canva. To create thumbnails for video. To make image chart. KineMaster. This is for mobile version. To edit screen recorded videos or any educational videos on your mobile phone. Movavi Video Editor for computer users. To edit screen recorded videos or any educational videos on computer. To make video using screen recorders of Movavi. YouTube. To upload and keep recorded videos online and share the links to Google Classroom. Note, if you are not comfortable to share your videos publicly, you can keep it private or unlisted so that it is available to the selected students only. Gmail. Number 1. To use Gmail ID as a student ID. Second, to send notification and alerts to students. Google Drive. 1. To use as storage for Google Classroom. Second, to use as PDF viewer. The app links are shared in the descriptions. I will tell you in the next video that how to use all those apps and how to connect and work combined. I will tell you everything one by one in the next video.